Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate a TikTok account on your iPhone temporarily. For example, if you want to have a break from the TikTok and you want to deactivate your account for some time on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply uh, make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to go back, and here you have to open the app store here. So in the app store you have to simply search for the TikTok app, and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after updating the app, you have to simply open the TikTok app, and after opening you have to click on profile here. So in profile you have to click on three lines here. So here you will find the option of settings and privacy. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for account option. So in account option you will find the option of deactivate or delete account. So if you want to deactivate your account temporarily, then you can simply select that. So here is written, if you want to leave TikTok temporarily, simply deactivate your account. If you choose to delete your account instead, you won't be able to recover it after 30 days, which means if you select deactivate, then you can simply deactivate again. But if you select delete your account permanently, then your account will be deleted after 30 days if you do not log in back your account. So here you can simply click on deactivate your account. So here you have to make sure that you can simply deactivate your account for some time, because after deactivation you can recover all the content anytime. So in this way you can simply deactivate your account for some time, so without any problems. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.